Today, the market for heterogeneous solutions is snowballing. Technologies and modern agile practices like cloud computing, DevOps, and microservices are encouraging technical teams to pick the right tool for the right job. Rather than being fanatical about a particular platform or operating system, it's more efficient and cost-effective to embrace all the tools at your disposal. Implementing these heterogeneous solutions enable IT experts to leverage the best parts of each technology, thus allowing them to build much more harmonious systems. They can run the database on a Unix server, the web servers can run on Linux hosts, and the knowledge workers in the organization can use Excel on Windows to analyze the data. Why handcuff yourself when you don't have to? Users have become accustomed to using multiple devices, various form factor devices, different platforms, and diverse operating systems. And customers insist on support for interoperable heterogeneous solutions. Windows and Linux are a common combination within an organization, and it can be like juggling your parents and your in-laws over for the holidays at the same time. It can be a disaster if everyone doesn't know how to properly communicate with one another. Typically, you'll see some file servers or other network servers running Linux operating system, whereas the knowledge workers are using the Windows operating system with Office Productivity Suite. These users don't care which platform the files and data are on, they just need access. Do you know what it takes to make these two operating systems work together seamlessly within the same environment? How does a Linux user log into the system using their network credentials? How can Windows and Linux users share files or share printers? These are some of the fundamental problems IT administrators struggle with on a daily basis. This course teaches you how to deploy, configure, and manage your heterogeneous environment and implement interoperability mechanisms between your Windows computers and Active Directory domains and Linux workstations. The course will start with the basics of interoperability challenges and then dive deeper into details about different scenarios like how to use network credentials to log into your Linux systems, how to enforce password policies across multiple systems, how to share hardware resources like shared drives and printers. If you are serious about operating and managing a mixed infrastructure comprising of Windows and Linux machines, then this course is for you. These IT skills are in high demand, but there's no easy way to acquire this knowledge. Rather than rely on the hit and trial method, this course will provide you with all the information that you need to get started with your interoperability requirements. Startups and technology companies pay big bucks for IT administrators with the talent to set up these elaborate networks. They demand cloud engineers and consultants manage their heterogeneous network infrastructure, and in turn, you can demand top dollar for your abilities. Do you want the skills to be highly sought after? Do you want your career to touch Cloud9? Did you answer absolutely to that question? If so, then our new training program, Networking Masterclass, Interoperability between Windows and Linux, is for you. My name is Arsh, an instructor at tetratutorials.com. We've been in the software industry for more than 2 decades. We've been part of many prestigious projects and startups. And over this span, we have gained great insight into what makes for flexible, scalable, and robust software solutions. We are passionate about sharing our collective knowledge with you. In this course, Networking Masterclass, Interoperability between Windows and Linux, you will get an in-depth look at how to build bridges between your Windows and Linux systems. Is your IT career on the right track? Well, if you invest your time and bring an eagerness to learn, we guarantee you real, actionable education at a fraction of the cost you can demand as an IT engineer or consultant. We're confident your investment will come back to you manifold in no time. So if you're ready to make a change and learn how to proactively and efficiently manage your mixed Windows and Linux infrastructure, click the Add to Cart button below. Still not convinced? Fine. What if I told you that you risk nothing by purchasing Networking Masterclass Interoperability between Windows and Linux? The course comes with our unconditional 30-day money-back guarantee. If you feel this course doesn't meet your needs, you just need to message us and we'll immediately refund your money. No questions asked, no hoops to jump through, no hard feelings. Unfortunately though, we're unable to help with the family squabbles. Look, if you are serious about becoming an expert IT engineer and generating a more significant income for you and your family, it is time to take action. Imagine getting that promotion which you've been promised for the last 2 presidential terms. Imagine getting chased by recruiters looking for skilled and experienced engineers by companies that are desperately seeking help. We call those good problems to have. Imagine getting a massive bump in your income because of your newly acquired in-demand skills. That's what we want for you. If that's what you want for yourself, click the Add to Cart button below and get started today with our Networking Masterclass Interoperability between Windows and Linux. Let's do this together.